वेलकम एवरीवन। सो आज जिस टॉपिक के बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं दैट इज इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस। नाउ बिफोर मूविंग ऑन टू द टॉपिक, लेट जस्ट डिस्कस अ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट दैट इज लॉ ऑफ dominance. Now according to this law, the factors they occur in a pair, and in case of dissimilar pair or in heterozygous, we can say that one of the factor dominates the other, right? Now, for example, if we say an heterozygous tall plant, it will be capital T and small t. So here the capital T will be dominant and small t will be recessive, right? I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to our main topic, that is incomplete dominance. Understood the concept of incomplete dominance, inheritance of flower color in dog flower, or we can say snapdragon, is studied. So basically snapdragon has three different flower colors. First is red, second pink, and third white. And the inheritance of these flower colors, they help us to understand the concept of incomplete dominance. Now here as you can see that parental generation, one of the parent is red flower, that is a homozygous dominant, while the other parent has a white flower, that is a condition we say homozygous recessive. Now the gametes formed will be capital R and small r respectively. Now when these parents are crossed, the resultant F1 generation we will get is that the all flowers are pink, right? Now this condition, it's somewhat different from what we have understood in the law of dominance, right? So in law of dominance, in heterozygous condition or dissimilar pair of factor, one of them is dominating the other. So here all flower should be red, but the condition here we can see that all flowers are pink. So all of the F1 generation is not showing one of the parent features, that is they are not showing either red flower or none of them is showing a white flower. So they are going for a intermediate, right? Now in selfing or self-pollination of F1 generation, we get these resultant F2 generation. Now here we can see that the phenotypic ratio will be 1:2:1, representing red, pink and white flower. In case of law of dominance, we have seen that in F2 generation, the phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Whereas in this condition, we have seen that the phenotypic ratio changes from 3:1 to 1:2:1. And in F2 generation, we have seen parental combinations as well as the intermediate. So this is all about incomplete dominance. What we have learned in incomplete dominance, that in heterozygous condition, or we can say in dissimilar pair of factors, in incomplete dominance, one of the factor does not dominate over the other. Instead, it shows an intermediate which does not resemble to any of the parents.